Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word along. Along, long. Along. Along. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Path along the river was covered in fallen leaves. Along in this sentence means in a line or beside something such as a river, indicating the direction or location of the path in relation to the river. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.